awesome product which I think you all should buy. All that you have to do is place it like this, push it forward. As simple as this. And now the rear wheel is on this roller. Alright? All that you have to do right now is rotate the rear wheel. You see that? The rear wheel is rotating. So this way you can clean your chain, inspect your chain, spray your chain with chain lube, and also in case there is a puncture on your tire, you can rotate the wheel and fix the puncture. So pretty good, isn't it? So this is my Ladakh or adventure ride recommendation product. This is a paddock stand. What you generally do, you put it like this and put this paddock stand and lift it up like this. And as you've seen, it's not so easy. It's generally a two-man job. One person should be holding the motorcycle, other person should be lifting it up. And also, when you're getting the motorcycle off the paddock stand, you got to be careful too. And third thing, it's big, it's huge. This is from an Indian company known as Pitstop. Let me show that to you, grandpitstop.com. And ये है, इसको कहा जाता है a roller. Okay. Now this replaces a paddock stand.